Want to make trendy Dalgona coffee? We will make this whipped, frothy and creamy drink. Let's get started. First, you will need 3 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, 3 tablespoons of sugar. It helps create that fluffy texture. Now add 3 tablespoons of hot water so the coffee dissolves properly. Time to start whipping. We are using a hand mixer, but if you don't have one, you can also do this with a whisk. You want to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light, fluffy, and forms stiff peaks. As you can see, it's starting to get that creamy, whipped texture we're going for. So frothy and airy. Add ice cubes into the glass, followed by 1/2 cup of cold milk. Gently scoop the coffee mixture on top of the milk. The contrast of the dark, frothy coffee with the white milk is just so pretty. Add around 2 tablespoons of milk cream. Now, for the fun part, mix it all together. You can either just stir it to combine, or, if you want a more dramatic look, give it a quick stir and enjoy that beautiful layered effect. Here you have it. It's ready to enjoy. Dalgona coffee just got better with ice cream. Here's how to make it. Start with a chocolate-coated vanilla ice cream bar, or use any other vanilla ice cream of your choice. Take off the chocolate coating and set it aside for later. Now separate the stick so that you are left with the vanilla ice cream by itself. Grab a glass, add some ice, and pour about 1/2 cup of cold milk in it. Now take about 1/4 cup of the Dalgona mixture. Add it to the milk. Add the vanilla ice cream as well. This will give your coffee a unique creamy taste. Mix it all together for a rich, coffee-flavored ice cream treat. Finish off with the chocolate pieces from the ice cream. And you're done. It's the perfect treat for any time of day. We hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Or share any fun variations you've tried. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tasty recipes and coffee hacks. Thanks for watching.